Tips I wish I knew earlier, shared by a now experienced user. Absolutely transformative. That's the only way to describe what it feels like once you truly understand the landscape of online Forex trading. Looking back, there are things I wish I had known earlier. But now, with the clarity of experience and the confidence that comes from navigating real markets, the lessons shine brightly. One of the most important discoveries has been the impact a trustworthy broker can have, and in that space, Capital Trade Consulting stands out in more ways than one. From a Canadian perspective, especially in a market as economically interconnected and digitally advanced as ours, navigating Forex platforms can feel overwhelming. But once I encountered Capital Trade Consulting Pte Ltd, things started to change. The Capital Trade Consulting Forex interface is built for clarity and efficiency. With spreads as low as 0.1 pips on major currency pairs and over 60 trading instruments to choose from, the platform offers a competitive edge that genuinely empowers traders. A key differentiator here is the transparency and structure. It's not just about promising the moon, it's about delivering a system where users can see tangible results. The Capital Trade Consulting review from numerous Canadian users consistently highlights fast execution times, under 0.4 seconds, and deep liquidity. These are not just technical stats, they're real tools that make a significant difference in trading performance. Concerns about scams are real in this industry, especially in Canada, where online fraud is on the rise. Yet Capital Trade Consulting scam reports are noticeably absent of substance. Instead, what emerges from genuine reviews is a consistent pattern of reliability. In fact, regulatory alignment and compliance with international financial standards are at the core of the Capital Trade Consulting broker operation. When a platform invites scrutiny and passes with flying colors, it reinforces trust. That's why so many traders are forming a confident Capital Trade Consulting opinion that reflects optimism and success. Perhaps the most impactful element is the educational approach. Forex Capital Trade Consulting doesn't just provide a platform, it fosters a trading mindset. Through webinars, market insight dashboards, and predictive analytics tools, even intermediate users begin to think like seasoned pros. It's this kind of support that moves you from reactive trading to strategic forecasting. It's no wonder Capital Trade Consulting opinion has become increasingly positive across trader networks, including here in Canada. What's more, the client service is world-class. With a multilingual support team available 24/5 and an average response time of under 5 minutes, the difference is noticeable. You're not just another account number, you're a partner. This personalized approach has become a hallmark of the Capital Trade Consulting review community, especially from Canadians who are used to high service standards. Skepticism is healthy, but research matters. Those looking into Capital Trade Consulting review materials will find detailed walkthroughs, real case studies, and technical breakdowns of trading strategies. The platform not only withstands scrutiny but welcomes it. That alone should dismiss any concern related to Capital Trade Consulting scam fears. If anything, Forex Capital Trade Consulting represents a new benchmark in online brokerage, agile, secure, and forward-thinking. It's easy to feel lost in a sea of options, especially when every platform claims to be the best. But the data speaks for itself: 92% client retention, over 20,000 active traders monthly, and a 4.85 satisfaction score based on thousands of verified accounts. These aren't hollow numbers, they reflect a thriving and growing community. The Capital Trade Consulting broker model is clearly working, and it's elevating Canadian traders in the process. In the end, the difference between frustration and fulfillment in Forex often comes down to your broker. If I could pass on only one insight to others starting their journey today, it would be this: take the time to build your own Capital Trade Consulting opinion, because the right choice can unlock potential you didn't even know you had. With Capital Trade Consulting Pte Ltd, that potential becomes real.